Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, Cigna, the Cigna Group, guys, is currently hiring. It's for a customer service representative. It's a remote position, guys. Cigna Healthcare, all the things is here. All of these job opportunities, as you can see, that are open here. These are all of the job opportunities that are currently open for Cigna. How we hire, about us, all the things. You just click on these. All these tabs are clickable. But let's talk about this position, guys. Here's the summary. Cigna supplemental health benefits are a financial benefit, including accidental injury, critical illness, and hospital care insurance. We provide financial protection to cover expenses associated with unplanned accidents, guys. So the responsibilities for this role is answer inbound calls and respond to inquiries, grievances, complaints, or appeals ranging from routine to moderate complexity. Available to attend 100% of the first 90 days of employment. Available during the hours of operations from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Connect emotionally with customers as you will be helping them through a critical part of their life. Understand and strive to meet all call center metrics, efficiently problem solve in the moment, one call resolution, qualifications, high school diploma or equivalent required, comfortable with an ever-changing environment, quiet place to work, free of any distractions is required, 1 to 2 years of customer service experience, required call center customer service experience preferred, ability to manage complexity, strong problem solving, analytical and oral communication skills, proficient in Microsoft Office programs, technically savvy, and ability to multitask. It says if you're working at home occasionally or permanently, the internet connection must be obtained through a cable, broadband, or fiber optic internet service. They also have, like information about Cigna, smoke-free environment, and you just click this button to apply. And if you want to come on here to learn more about all of the other open jobs, this job here was posted today, but you can see there are other job opportunities here and other customer service roles and all the things here. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these amazing jobs. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much, guys, for just being so awesome. Thank you so much for sharing all of the leads. So anyone you know that's currently looking for a job role, please share this job lead with them. As you can see, there are 448 open opportunities here at Cigna. So please share this job lead with them. Thank you so much for sharing the videos. Thank you so much for all you do. I appreciate you, friends. Love you lots. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.